and welcome to the online viewing for 6 Abbots Road. This 3/4 bedroom semi-detached property is located close to Heath Park. It benefits from a ground floor bedroom with wet room and an ensuite shower room to the master bedroom. And then moving into the property, we've got the hallway here with the stairs leading up to the first floor, and then also goes through to the kitchen. And we've got 2 reception rooms, starting with the first reception area here at the front with bay window. Some nice cooking to the ceiling there as well. And then we've got the gas fire, and opening through to the second reception area where we've got double doors which lead through to the garden. And then into the breakfast kitchen, we've got space here for a table, 2 windows to the side aspect, so plenty of natural light. And then we've got the kitchen with eye level double oven, 5-ring gas hob. And then we can just look back at the breakfast area there as well. And then moving through, we've got the utility where we've got the washing machine, further sink unit, door to the garden, wall mounted gas boiler. And then on into the ground floor bedroom, which has 2 windows and a fitted wardrobe. And we also have a wet room here as well, with walk-in shower area. Okay, then up on the first floor we've got the landing area which leads to the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom, and also within bedroom 1 we have an ensuite shower room. Bedroom 1 with a window to the front, got some large wardrobes here on this side. Into the recessed area there as well. Those wardrobes are not actually fitted. And then we've got the ensuite shower room with a fully tiled shower cubicle, pedestal wash basin, and WC here as well. Moving into the second bedroom, nice high ceilings, and then this one having a aspect to the rear of the property. And then finally we've got bedroom 3 just here at the rear, and then into the bathroom where we've got a panel bath, WC, and a corner shower cubicle, as well as the wash basin with drawers just below. Okay, then moving into the garden, we've got the block paved area to the side of the house, and then there's also gated access which leads through to the front of the property. We've got a ramp leading from the utility room door, which takes us down to the garden area where we've got lawn sections with block paved pathway, fenced boundaries, and then we've got a little ramp up to a raised decked seating area. concludes the online video for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact us at the office, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.